Okay, today we're at Guilford County. And this sign apparently has been hit. And you can see how bent it is. So it was out and it's been pushed out a little bit. Now the mechanics had a temporary fix with these zip ties here, which is good just for a temporary fix. But today we are going to replace the sign and this steel frame. And we're going to show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is we want this to come out, so I'm just going to cut this cotter pin off. It's just easier. It's only a collar pin. Pull the pin out. Now you got easy access to the sign. Now before you take the sign off, you're going to want to undo your connections here. Now we have it hard to get your finger in there, so nobody could come by and just pull it out on them. So you really got to get your nail in there and take it off. And now I'll clip these zip ties that the mechanics put on. And now we're ready to take the sign off. Now I could just unbolt these, cut this, but it's just easier, faster. Just undo these bolts here. And now the sign's ready to be removed. So now we're ready to put on our steel frame. Place it in like so. Nice and tight. Before you hook up the arm here, you're going to want to look at your cable inside and make sure the pins didn't get damaged. And for this one, they look very good. So we can put the arm on. For this, you just line up the two pinholes here. Slides in nicely. This is a little tricky if you're by yourself. Let's get it in a little bit. So now it's full. And you use your two. There's that one goes in. Now sometimes they're a little stubborn. What we'll do is just tap it in. And there we go. Put our nylon bolts, nuts on. When you do this, you just want them nice and snug. You don't have to kill it. Then we'll open the sign up so you can feed your wire through. short clicks. You hear that click? And now you're ready to put your pin back into your actuator. And it seems they had to pull this out because it was hit. So these are adjustable. And when you put your pin in, you just want to make sure that the sign is snug to the back bumper. And then you just want to bend this sign just a little bit, so when it goes in, it's not hitting the bus. Now we're ready to put the new cotter pin in. And we'll want to tighten this jam nut here. And that's how we fix an arm in a steel frame.